voice writing in voice is a good skill in the time of AI because when we use our voice to write some stories and just like a Google document using voice typing, it's a good way to write create some article or report and some news information. That's simply the reason why it's faster than writing. Speaking is faster than writing. Maybe I think if I will speak fast 3 times, it's much saving time, more than 3 times or 5 times. If we are writing about 1 hour, we can just 5 hours, 5 minutes or 10 minutes, we can finish writing using the voice typing. After voice typing, maybe it's directly sorted by the contents, and then we do the purpose of, for example, the writing is about article, writing is about diary and or the report, and then some AI can give some the contents. With help of AI, we can create some new contents by speaking itself. Because speaking is very important. How can we get a good result of contents that we want? Simply and then logically, we speak in using voice typing. And for that, we needed to get a good pronunciation, which is pronounced in successfully word by word clearly. If we make mistakes, some words, and an AI might be directly confused. Actually, AI don't have confused. AI just use the contents simply, and then AI don't make uh, decision about its right or wrong. And it's create some meaning session. Sometimes the story is totally non make sense. It doesn't make sense because when I say about something and then my mispronunciation in the voice typing and then it delivery to the contents which doesn't make sense. So this is very important because improving skill of voice typing there is a unique way. So we might be trained voice typing. And yeah, and then I think we can use the native languages. First language is better than second languages. I usually two languages. I would like to one more languages because I learned that. But frankly to speak, when I writing in Korean, voice typing in Korean, it might be correct and then much better. When I writing in English, the voice typing in English, sometimes it doesn't make sense. Some of the words are mispronunciation. I understand about that. After creating the content, then I review. Then the point is, it's very difficult to proofread and change it. But it quite be also the possible if I work in detail in the public. But privately, I don't like the working for proofreading again. Just I don't know because this is my practice, not the public area. And how about the Vietnamese? The uniquely AI is a wonderful tool to understand about what I'm talking, even only 20-30% correct about it. But the AI can induce what I'm talking in Vietnamese as well. So, and then it's good opportunity to speaking in Vietnamese by speaking contents I can create as well. But too much mispronounced. So and then rarely I speak in Vietnamese. Mostly I speak in English because the result of content better than Korean, better than Vietnamese. So and then also I can practice speaking English. It's one of the benefits when I use create content to learn making program, Java, Joom, AI, and Google Documents. So, and then this is very important for me about clearly speaking to get a good content from AI. But the reality, the fact that sometimes I speak in, I long pronunciation. The result is serious. And sometimes the contents, the story doesn't make sense or very complex. But if I have the contents on public, I need to proofread again. And this process is the same here. And then I create in my voice. And after then, and I can get the content from AI. And then I review about it, confirm, and then I check out, and then proofread again. I can get a result, what I need on in public area. So, and then that is the whole thing. But the practice, yeah, the first, the voice typing, speaking in any languages is the key. If the first the speaking is correct or logically correct, then I can get a good content from AI. Nothing, mm, there's nothing to be cooked later again. So, and then the practicing, speaking, writing, invoice typing is necessarily the train. It's just training like speaking and a good pronunciation. Um, again and again, and then I can, yeah, I realized that how much I make content that it doesn't make sense in basis of the my intention, and I realized that. So and then keep practicing speaking in voice typing to get a good content. It's very important. Mm. Now I talk about important topic here using the voice typing, but still I don't have some network contents. In English, make contents of how to use the voice typing to write in voice to get a good content from AI. But if I speak in long pronunciation and then I cannot get the good content, so I should read it again in public after reading it. Translating to Korean and Vietnamese above. How to use voice typing effectively to create good content today. Voice typing has become one of the most powerful skills in the age of AI. Instead of typing everything by hand, we can speak and let AI turn our voice into text. It saves time and make it easier to create story, article, report, or even new style content. However, voice typing only works well when we understand how to use it correctly. Why voice typing is so useful? The biggest advantage is speed. Speaking is 3 or 4 times faster than typing. If writing something takes 1 hour, you can sometimes finish the same content 10 to 20 minutes using voice typing. This gives you more time to think, revise, and improve. Voice typing also helps you capture ideas quickly and record natural thought and create more content in less time. It is one of the best tools for personal writing, diary recording, studying on, and then even when you're young. And the main challenge is mispronunciation. If your pronunciation is not clear, voice typing may produce wrong words, sentences that don't make sense, content that becomes confusing. AI does not get confused, but it can only write what it hears. If the sound is unclear, the text will also be unclear. This is why pronunciation matters, not because AI is easy, but because clearer input creates clearer output. And output. How to get better results with voice typing? Here are simple methods to improve accuracy. Speaking slowly and clearly, not too slow, not too fast, just a steady, clear pace so that AI can catch every word. Pause between sentences, short. Pause to make the structure clear. Use a simple word when possible. Complex vocabulary increase the chance of the recognition error. Check what you recorded after speaking with the AI generate text here. Fix mistake, polish grammar, and the better wording, and ask AI to rewrite or edit. And this combination of voice, book reading, AI editing, and produce excellent result. Practice voice typing in your strongest language first. Your first language is usually the most successful in voice typing. For example, if speaking Korean is easier for you, use Korean voice typing. If English pronunciation is harder, the text may have more errors. And then once you gain confidence with your first language, try your second language, then your third language, and gradually improve across all languages. Voice typing itself becomes pronunciation practice. How to use the AI for after voice typing. After you record your voice and get the raw text, AI can proofread, edit, rely, organize your idea, make it logical, make sound natural. Create a full article from your notes. Big sentence that became unclear because of mispronunciation. Even if only 20 to 30% of your input is correct, AI can still understand your intention and reconstruct the meaning. This is the real power of AI. Speak first, edit later. A very effective workflow is to speak your idea using voice typing, check the raw text, ask AI to correct, improve, or rewrite. Read it out loud, repeat as needed. This method helps and improve speaking skill, improve writing skill, improve produce clearer content, build confidence in public speaking later. Conclusion. Voice typing is not just a tool, it's a new way to think, write, and learn. is faster than traditional typing. It allows you to capture ideas naturally. It works even when pronunciation is not proper. It becomes a new powerful language learning practice. And with the AI editing, you can transform rough speech into excellent content. If you want, I can also translate this after into Korean and Vietnamese. Okay.